Yeah, peeps, so we are looking for the Holland Great House and we end up down in our farm, like seriously, one potato and cassava farm. You see me? Me don't know we end up down here, so peeps. But anyway, I think it's on the other road, so we'll come back out and go around on our next road, yeah?
I do not have a crazy story to tell, like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and then traveled the world. I am just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey as I show you what I accomplish. I am Alex and this is Elite Jamaica.
Yeah, guys, the road I rub hard, peeps, so I can't feel it really. I can't drive on what part other people drive, because most of the truck it look like coming here, so I have to mingle the layer. So that's what I'm trying to rub. Yeah? So we reached the Holland Estate. We passed the Holland Great House. I shown you that, but I see two columns down in front of me, like a gate post or two angels or something like that. And I shown you that, peeps. But first, let me show you the Holland Estate. Big. These are the Holland Estate, peeps. The Sewer Park. That's the community way over there. It's the Holland Estate with the pan, peeps. Alright? Yeah, man. So down where we're going, it seems that there's a fire being burnt. A big jungle fire down here, so you know, peeps. I'm going to show you. But I go down to the column them. It look like two Freemasons column. Now that I reach closer, I'm going to show you that, peeps. Alright? Yeah, man. So guys, these are the columns, guys. And it seems to have been two graves. I'm not sure, but we're going to look on them because we haven't ever seen anything like this before. Alright, peeps. It's not a grave. It's not a grave, guys. It seems like where they collected water. Yeah? Guys, this seems like where they collected water back in the days, peeps. Or a drawbridge or something like that. A bridge that drew up. But guys, and I see history at its greatest. We snap a pic. There's a fire burning in the background. That's why I hear them things. The bamboo them a pop, peeps. Alright, so this is a part of our history. If you notice, guys, these are metal, iron. Alright, so there we go. And here also. So it seems to have been a bridge, guys, of some sort. Not sure what it was, but it was a bridge, guys. Alright, so there's another race running from there, going down. So this is an old bridge, guys. I'm not sure where this bridge ran, but there's a river down there. So most likely the bridge, this was the entrance to the plantation, guys. Alright, yeah, man. Metal columns. Metal columns, guys. Alright, so we're moving on, peeps. We're moving on to the Great House now. Let's see what we see. Alright, come on. So I'm fine, river, I'm going to I'm fine. No what's no over here, yes, none. Alright. Guys, river down there, guys. Real swimming river, wanna see it clean? I don't know, the alligator them there, daddy, come in. Come in, ready. There's a bridge, the guys, the next columns of the bridge are over there, peeps. Alright, so it was a bridge running across this river. I'm not sure why, but it's a long time. It look like after the plantation peeps. Alright, so there are the columns over there. It look like the house all over there, so to peeps, so we're not sure. So we'll move on. Yeah guys, that is the fire over there. I'm not sure. It looks to me like a building, you know, is over there, but I'm going to zoom in and look. No, that's not a building. Daddy, I know one building, that's fire. Peeps, there's a fire raging over there, guys. Yeah, man, over on the next side of the river. But we're going to move on to the Great House now, peeps, and we're going to show you that. We can't wait down here and make the fire block way up down here. Alright, so, yeah, we'll move on. This is the road going down further. I'm not sure if there's anything else down here, but we'll walk and look still. Father say I explore and look, so I follow him. Fire over there, peeps. Nothing more than up on the bank, you know. You notice the bank narrow? Yeah. Come in, ready. Hey, you come in like me now, you love sir. Peeps, the river. Where's the no go down there? Alligator egg that, no daddy. This is the river, guys. The Plantain Garden River. Alright. Yeah man. Nice river. Muda going night, you know, me not lie. Muda going night. Ready? Alright, peeps, so we're moving on to the Great House now. I'm going to show you that, so now follow me. It's a cassava field, you know, peeps. Big up to the farmer who are planting cassava here. A whole heap of cassava this, you know, peeps. A whole heap of bambi this, you know. A whole heap of red stripe beer too, you know. You see that? Be a cassava. Let's see how far back. Up there we go. So guys, now I'm going to show you guys the Great House. I'm going to show you our next structure and one next structure. I'm going to show them all about, but I'm going to show you those guys, and information will be on screen about these structures. Alright, now follow me.
Best days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is.
Yeah, peeps, so I'm gonna be showing you a part of the house right now, and the piece that has been burned down. We have like 3 different structures in one place to look at. Alright, so let me start with this one. Alright guys, so peeps, this is one of the structures. This seems to have been the slave quarters, because the house is further up. I'll show you the house also, but this seems to have been the slave quarters. And now it's a farm, guys. Wow. See peeps, yeah man, stone, original stone construction here. So this seems to have been the slave quarters. I think that there was a lot of other constructions here, but they were broken down to facilitate farming. Alright, yeah man, so see that again, peeps. Guys, another house was over here, but it was actually burnt down. That's part of the construction, guys. Alright, yeah peeps, this is a part of the construction. See there? This is part of the walls, but it was burnt down back then. Alright, so yeah, we're going to the Great House now. As we actually reach another part of the road now where there's a bridge onto the plantation, but it's been blocked by a tractor. I'll show you that. Alright, this is the river again, guys. You feel like I saw the alligator them there. This is the bridge, guys. Yeah, but it's been blocked by a tractor, so we can't go over this. But anyway, guys, the building is right up there. I'm going to show you guys the building. So this is the bridge. You take a pic. Yeah, so peeps, we are showing the Great House now, guys. Like, yeah, I'm kind of excited now. But show me the past it already, peeps. But let me show you all this, alright? Structure right here, guys. Yeah, so we'll move up to the Great House now. The plantation house, the estate house, peeps. See it here? Can you imagine, guys, how this was back in the days? When you look upon this, Yeah guys, so this is the estate house guys, the Holland estate. Yeah. Yeah peeps, this is the Holland estate. I will finally find it. Yeah peeps, this was the great house for this estate, and it was a very large house guys. It gone all the way back up, but I'm gonna show you guys some of this from the front also. Alright, you see it, Bill peeps? You see that? All the way up. Yeah peeps, so I'm gonna like piece more the person that go through the farm. Yeah guys, here's another piece of the house, like seriously. What is that? Yeah guys, like we find it at the wall of the house in a piece more there, so piece there, so this was a very big house guys. If you look down there, so there's a piece down there, so yeah, I want to see this right here, so and then there's a next piece up there. Like seriously people, you don't know how to find it guys. This is the Holland Great House. You never know how to find it. Today. Picture. Yeah guys, this is the Holland Great House. You going to daddy? Eh? Come on. You know the house there, no? One tunnel down there, no? Guys, there's a tunnel. There's a tunnel down there. Let me show you all this. Smell like somebody a cook. See it, peeps? There's a tunnel down there, guys. Inside of the house. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps. There's also column under there. A street, yeah. Hold on. Yeah guys, this is from the front. Alright. And this is the other side of the building now guys. It's very large peeps. This was a living this was a living quarters guys. But that over there, so that was reserved for the slave master. The side that we just saw. Alright, so here peeps, you find it. This is the Holland Great House. And then we still have a next piece out there to look at. We still have piece more for showing, you know, the entrance, you know. There's a big house out on the entrance, guys. Yeah guys, this is the house. We'll find it. The Holland Great House is actually found and documented by Elite Jamaica. And type Elite Jamaica in the comment section down below if you confirm that, alright? That's inside peeps. Yeah. The board them still there, you know, guys. And I see board them years and I'm still there here. So guys, no matter what we're going to Jamaica, you know, we still have to find the Great House them. And yeah, this is the Holland Great House, found and documented by Elite Jamaica. Alright. Yeah man. You see something else, daddy? Gully? Oh. Water wheel supply. Oh, that was down there, so them supply the water from, you know, peeps. Because the gully was right here, so that was where they supply the water from. I guess the water mill was right there also, that's why it was so much cold, but underneath the ground. Alright, so we'll go back out on the main road now. Yeah, peeps. Go back out on the main road. This piece of building up there, sir. That's out on the front, man. But we have a piece out on the front. But this is a brick we walk on the building. We walk on building, peeps. Look at this, guys. This is another piece of the construction right here, guys. Shout out to daddy. I am just showing me this. And type daddy in the comment section down below. This is another piece of the construction. So the building, it was all over here. Yeah? All over the place, guys. And I see like, I see piece more down here, so. Jeez. Guys, piece more down here, so, you know. The house, the big peeps. this is another piece of the house. Yeah? This is another piece of the house, guys. There's another tunnel down here to peeps. Yeah guys, that's it from there. These are some very heavy columns. Yeah? We don't know why Jamaicans or Americans left going to Egypt go research history when it's right here. Alright. Yeah. This is another column here, guys. Another tunnel going under there, peeps. Alright. I see one under there. I see what I can show one under there. Alright. I flip the camera some more, guys. Yeah, look now. See that, peeps? Yeah? Wanna see it? Alright. So we're searching the next entrance, guys. Yeah? All of this here was part of the construction, guys. All of this was part of the construction. I'm gonna know where the next tunnel come out, but I really do think, guys, that it runs up to the next piece of construction that we see up at the entrance. Alright, so I'm gonna show you that, guys. My father gone for the car, so I'm gonna go back out on the road and meet him out here. So and there's still more building up top, guys, so I'm gonna show you that also. Yeah, peeps. So this was a very interesting find. I've shown a piece more construction of the Great House right now. And watch this, guys. Now we've got more construction here, guys. Yeah? We've got more construction here leading down to the next part of the Great House. This is a part of the column, you know, peeps. Alright, so you know the tunnel them run come right up back up here, so. Alright? Yeah, man, me take a picture of this. Yeah, peeps, this is the columns, guys. So the tunnel is running underground right back up. Phone battery run low enough, peeps, but you know that gonna have to catch this. Yeah, so the tunnel is running underground coming right up. So I have to go find where the tunnel end up. Yeah, guys, this is more construction from the house. Since we're on a road right now, because this is one side and that is one side over there, guys. But I can't go through this, so peeps, so I'm gonna walk around and see where it leads. Yeah. So guys, that's the column under there, guys. Yeah. That's the gutter under there. I'm not sure where the tunnel a while ago lead, but it should have run and come up back. But because these places have been what do I call it, dilapidated over the years, so therefore we can't really find the trace evidence to know where what was, you know. But yeah, guys, I think we reached to the end of the road. This is a barbed wire fence. We can't cross this, so I'm gonna turn back, meet my father. Yeah, peeps. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so that's the tunnel again. And that's the bridge. Seems like that was the driving road originally to get to the plantation down there. Alright, so I think we're gonna have more structures to see, but there's piece out on the road, guys. I'm showing that piece out on the road. Alright, yeah, man. So now follow me. Yeah, peeps, and now I'm going to show you the first entrance to the Great House. This is our next building, our next site, but first I see something curious. I see one tree with one hole in it. I'm showing you that, peeps. Wanna watch this? Yeah, guys, so this is the tree, guys. There's a hole inside of the tree. Yeah? I don't know what the up top. I'm showing you what the up top. Now look and tell me. Alright, so yeah, peeps, that's the tree, guys. So now I'm gonna show you the building, guys, the rest of the building. I left the car because my father can't drive, so I'm have to go drive come up. This is the rest of the building, guys. Yeah, peeps, this seems to have been the first entrance. This seems to have been the building at the entrance of the estate. And look, guys, like seriously, this is amazing. Yeah, all the way up there. And we have down here, guys, under here. And we have around here. This seems to have been a step. Yeah, it's a step going up there, up to the second floor. Yeah, peeps. You see it. Yeah, guys, I'm not sure what this building was, but I will let you guys know as soon as the video is being updated. Alright, so yeah, guys, that's the step right here. This is the rest of the building here. Then we have over here this section. Yeah, peeps. I'm not sure what that piece of iron there was for. And then we have over here the next piece of iron in the middle of the room again. Not sure what that was for, guys. But yeah, we'll move around to the next side. And there's another piece of iron in this room. Yeah, you see the bricks, guys. But it seems someone has taken over this place to farm or plant flowers. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna touch that. Yeah, guys, so this is the front of the building. Yeah, peeps, there seems to have been a step right here. Yeah, a step that went upstairs, up on top of the building, guys. Yeah, so yeah, and it seems there was another building over there, but we're not get to go over there, so still, peeps. Alright, so this is the one we're focusing on. Alright, we have another entrance right here, guys. Yeah, then we have the back of the building. Yeah, peeps, so this was a house. This was actually a house, guys. Yeah, from back then. This was the head of the plantation. If you notice the gate posts them outside, peeps. See the gate posts them there? Yeah, we're gonna walk through them right now. Them are the gate column, the brick walls there, peeps. I think this was a great house now, guys. See it? So, guys, I really think this was the great house. Yeah. Yeah, peeps. So we'll move on. Peeps, so I see some more building, and father said, "No, come now and get shot." But I have to show you these guys. Like there was another house over here, so let me show you this, guys. Alright. Yeah, peeps, and I see that column there, so yeah, that's another column of the house, guys. And then we'll go over here, so now. That's one of the buildings, guys. And then we have another right here. You see it? This was part of a great house, do you know, peeps? See there? Yeah, peeps, that was part of a great house. Yeah, guys. The next column over there. Yeah, peeps, so we move along. Just hope no one is here. Yeah, guys, so see the peeps. Like it was a storage area, guys. Yeah. And then we have around here. This is slavery construction, just the very same. We have here going around here and so on a while ago, I nearly run. Yeah, peeps. This was part of a great house, as you notice the columns, but someone has built here. So yeah, we're up on private property. But guys, you see that over there, so? Like seriously? And these buildings, that building was reconstructed to turn into a warehouse, as you notice the construction, no? And then we have this right here, yeah? So, We're moving on. So that building, guys, was storage for grain and stuff like that. Alright. Yeah, man. So moving on, peeps. That's the other building right there, guys. Alright, let me show you a look around here before my battery go dead. Because somebody out there so my father keep them busy. Here, peeps. This is the construction that was a part of the column, guys. Yeah, coming across, and we have this right here, and then that over there. Very interesting piece of architecture, guys. Yeah, very interesting piece of architecture right here. You see that, peeps? So my father keep somebody busy while we get the film. Yeah, I'm not sure what is inside here, guys, but we're in our warehouse. This scary. Yeah? I'm gonna look around us and see what around us, guys. Alright. Yeah, peeps. This is another room right here. That's the back of the construction there. And this is another room down here. Yeah? So now I go back up further. Now hear one sound, guys. I don't know what. But now I can look and try showing it before then find out. So guys, as you notice, this was part of the construction. This was part of the older construction right here, guys. Yeah. About around, so this was part of the construction. Yeah. So we'll move back forward. Go back. It seems like where the pigs are around here, guys. Water is right there. That's water right there, guys. I'm gonna walk back on this. It looks like where the pigs here. So I'll make case and get out of that place. Yeah, peeps. But this was part of the construction, guys. Yeah. This round here, I'm not sure what this was, but this seems to have been a well, guys. This was a well. This was indeed a well. You notice it's circle and all of that. This was indeed a well. Alright. So if you notice over there, guys, that was part of the Great House, guys. That actually is built on right now. This are from Great House days. Alright. Yeah, man. So we're moving forward, guys. Father out so I talk to somebody. Yeah. Keep them occupied. Seem the peeps might keep them active, peeps. Yeah. So guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. And if you reach this point in the video, type Great House in the comment section down below. Alright guys, look out for the next video, which will be sent on the Edinburgh Castle, Castle of Doom. Alright peeps, thanks for